Alright, we got a short little video for you guys again today. We're going to be cutting open these 4 Las Choyas geodes from Mexico. And hopefully these are hollow inside, but there's a good chance they're not. I bought them as solid nodules. So either way, we should still hopefully get some good banding inside of these. So let's go ahead and cut these 4 rocks open and see what's inside of them. Alright, so I went ahead and cut them. I had a little bit of trouble cutting these. I was cutting them on my 10-inch saw and the belt decided to give out on it. So I ended up finishing up the last 2 on my 6-inch saw. But I was able to get through them. Some of them are a little rough, but let's go ahead and look at these one at a time. So I never showed you guys these before I started. But they all look pretty much the same. This rough outer husk with some chalcedony showing. So this one here was pretty pretty. So this one has some real nice bands in it up at the top there. And then I don't know what's going on here. It's kind of like a moss agate. It's actually kind of pretty. So that one wasn't too bad. And that was kind of an interesting one right there. Next up, I had this big one here. Again, we have just this round husk on it. Nothing special. And there we go. Lots of bands in this one. This is a nice one. It has these fractures in it, but I think they're healed up. I think they're old fractures. I could be wrong about that. They may not be healed up. But this one's got a lot of bands in it. So that's real pretty. And turned out real nice. I love how it has this crystal kind of pattern around the outside. So that's real pretty. Alright, we had this big double one here. This one was a bit of work to cut through. It's pretty heavy, so it's solid. And there we go. We have the tiniest little geode pocket in this one, actually. This one's actually pretty nice. You can see some little bit of moss or something growing in there. Some dendrites. That's real nice. That'll be a nice one to polish up. Be a lot of work, but it'll look real nice polished up. This one's interesting. You can actually see down inside that geode pocket there. The tiniest little geode pocket in this one. It's still really nice banding in this one. It's nice. You got banding all the way through both nodules. It's like a double nodule. Alright, this one I had a lot of trouble with. This one I tried to finish cutting on my 6-inch saw. I messed up and got my cut placement off. And yeah, it's a horrible cut, but really pretty pattern in this one. Some really nice bands. It's really pretty. Really cool. But yeah, that's a terrible, terrible cut. I'll have to try to clean this up. It's going to take a long time to get this one cleaned up. Alright, last but not least, we have this one here. Another big round solid nodule. This one's a little darker inside. And this one is awesome. This one is really nice banding around the outside. It's got a lot of parallax banding. I don't know if you guys can see that when I move it around. Parallax banding and this awesome quartz cavity in the center. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. But yeah, I love that white and the quartz. It's just really cool. I don't know, I may save half of this one for my own collection. This is one of my favorites, I think, that I've cut of these Las Choyas geodes. It's a very nice, got nice banding and a little geode pocket, so I cannot complain about that. Alright, well, I gotta go get that belt fixed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
We're done.